up. You don't have a view for that.
I'm
going to our third house, okay?
What? What, bro?
I'm going to
Let's
our
come
third
back.
house.
Don't leave me behind.
Why did you leave? Because I'm in our
Ellen
third house.
Country.
This is.
Don't leave me behind.
I gotta push the windows out.
Dude.
Guli, what's up?
Dude, you left me behind.
Sure, I'm coming back.
Okay, fine,
I'm
bro.
just gonna view for our fourth house again. This is super tiny.
Let's up.
You can fit 1,000,000 people inside here.
Can't fit million people inside.
Diba, the garage is there. Ding dong, guli, guli, guli.
Good luck.
I'm undeploying, okay?
I'm in the roof.
Why are you in the roof again?
Don't
I'm
know.
coming back.
Coming to our second house.
I think I went the wrong way. Is that true, guys?
Where even is the American tornado? See no tornado.
I think I went left.
You will find me soon, though.
So wrong way. This is the poop ways.
Okay. Rooftop, rooftop, rooftop. I won't get
Why are you in the rooftop while calling me?
rooftop, rooftop.
Where did I go, guys? Where's the building?
I think you're going to the starter line. Wait,
Yeah.
go up here. That's where we started last time, right?
Yeah, I'm in the bush. I am Peter Griffin. Meow.
You mean Homer? Homer dropped his donut. Ooh.
Do you see a light?
Soda. Ooh. Homer hit the doorway. Yeah, you're already here.
Homer, zombie, 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 zombie.
Welcome to the rooftop. Hey, hey, hey. Jingle and the zoo. Let me see that.
You are off the party. Sorry. Bye, I just hit the gun.
You already hit outside. Yes. Let's deploy the house. By a one day. Welcome in car. That's the movie. Deploy. Your name is deploy. I deploy.
I deploy.
Wait, why is this red car so cute?
What pet? Dominator. Dominator 1. The car is stuck.
Beep, beep. Dominator 1.
He's super cute. He loves Kendin. He loves you all.
What the heck? So, like and subscribe. If you do not believe. Holy crap. I'm stuck.
What stuck are you in?
The garage.
I see the front. I see the front. The front is gone.
Are you sure about that?
So I'm pushing the window off.
It's the window.
I'm pushing the window.
I'm stuck in the garage.
I'm stuck.
My team is stuck in the garage. Oh my god, bro.
Why? Do you see a human?
We were climbing up.
Oh, I broke the window. Let's go. I broke the window. Let's go. Goodbye, boys.
Kasi it's the
Yeah.
Bro?
Yeah.
Bro is bro?
I'm going to the playground.
Holy crap, I stuck at the car.
To the playground.
Okay, good luck, or tornado will come. Like and subscribe, or tornadoes won't come in your house. Unless you're in America, that tornadoes in your city. I opened the window so calmly.
That's cute.
Close the window. I don't want tornadoes. Oh no! Oh, the opening window fell.
I'm going to this shop. Oh, they're closed. I went in the window. I broke in.
I broke the window.
I broke in.
Wait, there's red lights.
I broke
Oh
in.
my
I
god.
broke in.
There's red lights. Oh my god. Anybody
Guys.
seeing this super light thing? That's from a car. Cinema, cinema. When you picture a tornado, is it still here?
What is that? Is that
I
a
see you!
tornado? There's a tornado!
Bro, it's heading right next to us. Go back to the house and deploy the
No.
car.
No. I'm going to check what is it. I
Just
see
check
the-
it, or that cloud will form as with an tornado.
Where's the cloud? I think I missed it. Oh, there it is.
I'm about to call so hard. I'm going to choke.
There's a guy in. Oh my god. There's a guy in the place.
So weird.
Oh, there's a tornado!
Tornado! Where? In the playground?
No, right here.
No way, bro! Is it right next to our house?
No, I don't see our house.
We went far though. So that
Yeah.
means it's in our house.
Let me check if it's still there.
Oops.
I went out the road.
I
sorry.
didn't meant to delete the car include. Oh my god, bro!
Do you see a freaking tornado coming
No
towards-
car. Bro, the car is fed up on me.
So this is a freaking tornado coming towards us.
No, it's running up.
So what is this big? Seriously. Your tornado, your tornado. Ah!
Wait, that's not
I'm
you.
going to station. Go back, go back. No, it's getting foggy. No, it's better by sea. Taking me to the blade.
I can't start this guy.
You can get me
No.
because it's jogging me and giving me speed.
Dun dun doo doo dee, dun dun doo doo dee.
This is the
Dun
end. I'm
dun
flying!
doo doo dee, dun
I'm
dun
flying!
doo doo dee, dun dun doo doo.
You can in the boat.
You got caught?
Yeah. Please don't throw me the board.
Another bro! I just came up from our house and then you came up again.
Do you see a
Okay,
car
yum
flying?
yum. Yum. Oh my god, Yayan. I don't think his name is Yayan. Let's go, car! Let's save Lucas!
I'm close to the playground. One of my wheel is broken.
Let's save Lucas.
I cannot drive anymore.
Lucas, are you sure about that?
Yeah, help. One of my wheels is unset. Wait, two of my wheels. No.
Coming.
No, I'm going to deploy. It's just like
Keeping you.
the first is deployed. I'm going right here. Yes! Put it to that now.
Okay, Lucas, I'm here. Beep beep. Dominator 1 is here. And Lucas, you were lying to me.
What?
No tornado is here in the playground. Damn, you wasted my time, bro.
I thought this is the playground.
Oh my god, engines.
I think I see the playground.
Oh, you're right next. Good luck.
Wait a minute, I found a basketball court. I
Good
think I
luck.
just flung all the way here. But
Good luck.
it almost looks like the secret base we went to happen
You mean yesterday?
yesterday.
What you mean yesterday?
I found our fifth house.
Yesterday we come.
I found our fifth house. I'm going inside
We
because
don't
I
need
work here.
we don't need even a shit house, bro.
Because I work here, that's why I got a fifth house. You don't want a pizza? Because I made a perfect pizza, but it's not it. I met
Beep
it
beep.
yesterday.
Dominator one.
Beep beep or make one.
Animation. This house is going to get destroyed if
Right.
we don't do like tornadoes here.
If you didn't get a warning for a tornado,
We
I'll
were
be,
so close.
yeah,
Our
that's why.
Dominator one is either side or inside.
My Dominator is just on the
Aw,
side.
look at that. No, not there. No way! A lizard in our bed. There's a lizard. What's the lizard?
I don't know.
Guys, we just found a lizard and it disappeared in midair. Ha! He fell midair.
I think this one broke.
Holy crap.
I'm gonna use this.
Oh, we didn't break this window yet.
Baby,
Ah! I can break in. Dun, dun, dun,
I'm going to
dun,
play in the
dun,
basketball.
dun. Remember to come back.
Yeah.
I miss you though.
My car is destroyed.
What? Let me
Car is
see, let me
destroyed.
see.
My car is destroyed.
Let me see.
I'm going to the bar to pakita you. Both of my wheels is up. Look at my car.
Bros
is
deploy
there.
so fast.
You want to see? I'm going outside first. It's gonna take me a long time. Jumpy, jump. Jumpy, jump. Jumpy, jump.
Let me see that.
Wait, I'm not there yet. Cross the line. Cross the
Oh
line.
wait, I kinda know that. No. The that thing that we got yesterday and I didn't even saw that but I played this game that time. Beep beep. Yeah. I'm going to what? I'm coming to rescue you. You're in the army? I'm coming. Oh my god, I can't. Here. I'm here.
Thank you.
Bro, that was not far away. That was close. Deployed. Look at this stuff.
So I know it.
Just click the P. That's in the P.
Click P and you can move now.
Oh, thinker. If you
I'm
de-
going to
if
another
you
side.
click deploy, you're gonna go park. Oh, this is not our own yet. No, not yet. Oh, you want to buy? Bro's dying like Minecraft. He came back early. Oh, no, we're not going to buy. That's too far away to find a house. Hmm. No, no way to find it. Oh wait, this is the shop that we go. Wait, we're close to our house now, right? It's now down. Oh, the shop is right next to our house. Tornado! Deploy! Deploy! We have to break and deploy. Wait, our house is right there. No way. You caught that. You caught that. Yeah, that was terrifying. I think we can make it to our house though. Go, 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 go! Stop. No, it almost took our house. Oh my god, bro! Deploy! Deploy, deploy. No! No! What? The vehicle is still! We deployed! You are not turn safe. Bro, we're deployed. You now. Ah! Oh my god! We got caught our house! If our house is going to be safe, Ellen country. Oh! 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 Oh!
Second house
Oh!
is okay.
Oh.
Second house is okay.
How about the first house?
It's okay too. Someone.
Almost demolished. Like um, there's so many people here. There's people that are reading. It's like I don't know. Yeah, that's what you mean. You cannot click at outside people. It's other than what I'm like. Should I end the video? How about when you have it's just avatar, not account. Photo.
Matthew, hindi mo na ako gusto sa'yo. Matthew, ayaw mo na. Hindi mo na ako gusto. Ayaw na niya.
Ano? Ano?
Lipat ko lang dito. Dito ka. Matatapon dyan sa aming ano. Dito. Oh, oh, Matthew.
Ba't madami?
Dito na.
Ayoko yung sila.
Ha?
Ayoko yung sila.
Gusto mo yung gusto mo yan.
Diba? Hey! Billie Jean, not my lover. This is the girl who claims I am the world. Or your guys are the world.
I crashed into a building.
In the light becomes the truth. Hey! Billie Jean, not my lover.
Did my mom
You ended. I think I got someone. How do you know there was a tornado coming to our house, but I didn't even saw it until I saw it? It was so big, like the El Reno that you saw, right? Right, viewer of Lucas.
You know what, guys? I'm gonna warn everybody. There's a
When? Where's the EF5? No EF5 founded. Why is it?
I have a broken screen phone. Hey, there's a house! There's a house! There's a freaking house! There's a freaking house there. And then there's a tiny house close to it. What the? What? I saw the house! There! It has a garage back
It's
behind
so
it.
cute.
Yeah. I want to open it.
It's like the third house. Is that our third house? Is that far? Where? But remember to come back. Come back for me. I want to go to the third house to review if you can live there or no. Does anybody want to go to the third house, second house, and first house? Oh my god, I see your car. I saw your car.
Found the playground.
You're now next. Find the store and then go down, right?
Wait, I know where. I always go here like this. I always skip the street light, right?
Yeah,
I'm here, Abba.
I'm not there. No. Hey,
Is that close to my house? Sorry, I broke the third house window. It even has a
okay, this is going to be our the best third house. Approved.
look at the floor.
Approved, Lucas.
What?
This is approved to be the third house.
Go up here, look. I see a room with blue. Go up
Blue is
here.
for boys.
Yeah. Okay, I found the bathroom, but it's empty because
There's two blue.
I found blue. I found blue right here. Wait, where's the blue? This is the third blue, but
No.
they
Where?
didn't paint there.
Oh, this is blue. We're going to live here, but we're going to name this blue house.
Blue.
Wait, Kaka. What did you just sorry? Is it Kaka Lakabog? Come back.
Blue. Yeah.
Hey,
You know what? I'm coming back.
this is going to be approved.
I'm pushing blue. Yay.
Approved.
water house and then water house. Are you, is that all the place?
Yeah. Ganda yung picture. Wait.
Why is it in the grass?
Ganda.
Why
To
did
touch
you
grass.
park it? So you want touch grass?
I'm in the roof.
I know how, where did you got in the room? Right here.
Yeah. Come in the roof to join the party.
Diba you did a lot of effort to do this?
You must click one jump and then when you're climbing, just jump. Let's party!
Why?
In the first mode.
Woohoo!
Holy
I landed.
crap.
I landed in the car. Landed in my car. Super soft.
Oh my god. Remember my probe dancing? Wee! Wee! Oh. Bro, the probe went inside my house.
Tornado! Go
Where?
to the house! There's a tornado!
Oh wait.
There's a freaking
I
tornado.
kind of forgot.
Turn your screen up and
It's graphics. Holy shit.
wait. Why is yours perfectly? And mine is not.
It's graphics, bro.
Oh,
But graphics makes me super lag, so I kinda needed to turn off graphics.
where's the graphic?
Look outside.
No freaking way. There's a EF5 when a tornado. Bro,
Tornado in our house!
Tornado, go in the house. I'm a thief. I can survive any tornado.
Yeah. Is your car deployed?
Yeah.
Is the house safe?
Yeah. Our house is approved to be a safe house.
Yeah. And when our car's inside
Okay, I
the
found a close.
when our car's inside here, there's no way that the tornado can leap.
I found a abandoned house.
Wait, where?
Go to our house.
Oh, this one, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna break
This is
the
going to be
window.
approved as the fourth house, right?
Yep.
The fourth house is abandoned. It's because it's always getting struck by tornado.
Open the window. Oh, I accidentally.
Remember that one big tornado struck this house?
Yeah. And the owner died.
Yeah, so it's abandoned.
That's why
Owner
it's
gave
abandoned.
this to us, but this is our friend's house, right?
My best friend lives here.
Chat, say
But
RIP.
RIP to my friend. He died.
What the?
He gave this house to us because
When he died?
Yeah.
This is kind of small house.
Yeah.
Up to Kirby friend's house, but died at our fourth house.
What?
This is not our fourth house. How about this?
Bang.
This struck by tornado.
Nope. The owner lives there. Someone lives there. Someone
Mamaya
lives
na.
there. Play
Okay,
my
this is so
joke.
scary.
Someone lives there.
Storm Chaser. Storm Chaser add me as a friend. I barely see a tornado last time.
Wait a minute. I want to press turn chaser.
Okay, dude. Yeah, that's him.
Why is he name is her last name VR?
Oh my god!
Why?
There's a tornado.
Oh yeah. Or
Wait.
this is far away.
It's coming closer. Look, he's coming closer. It's getting bigger. When it's getting bigger, it's coming closer.
I'm a human being too.
I can barely see him. Let's go up to our,
Party.
yeah, to see it. Probe. Gosh, this is your friend, dude. My friend is this.
I fell down.
Oh, this is a heavy probe. My friend. Hey! Wait, there's two tornadoes.
Where?
There's two tornadoes. Wait, I think we already seen this last time.
Yeah, we already see that.
It was like right here. Right? It was like right here and then they come back.
Yeah.
Uh
I'm deleting mine because I'm gonna put my best friend here.
Lucas.
Wait, no!
There's three! There's three! Come back to the house!
I'm a human being too. I can survive any tornado.
Mm, 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 mm. 1 hour long video, bro. And I'm still video.
Yep.
Oh, there's 4 tornadoes. Oh my god. No way. Just walk in and you'll die to the curse. Our curse is going to die. And we're not. Lucas, come back! Or I'm going to lock the doors on you.
I'm never coming back.
Okay. Mm, 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 mm. It's coming closer. We still on EF4.
If you have part na EF4 in EF0.
Wait, is it going 10 miles per hour? Dib?
Dib, is it going 10 miles per hour?
No way. What is that? One car sped up, then I didn't even saw it. What? Oh, it's another car. Got, got caught. Getting right closer. Guys don't wanna see this. How did you die? R.I.P. Lucas. Died from a tornado. Like 3-6. Guys, coming inside the house. I can barely see the tornado. Oh my god! Wait, this is like a cone tornado. I don't know what type of tornado was that. Oh no! Oh no! The tornado's in my house! No! 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 Stop! my car! No!
Is that eating my car?
No! My car! No! No!
Coming to save
No!
your car.
No!
I'm fucking. I'm not gonna save your car.
No!
I'm not gonna fucking save your car.
This is my video. I saw my car. I saw my car.
I'm not fucking gonna go.
Help! Help me!
I'm not gonna fucking save your car.
Help! I'll give you Wi-Fi for this. Maybe I said it. Help!
No fucking way, I'm in a tornado.
Oh, I'm a human being. Superhuman. The house is being saved! Dude! This is a large one!
Guys, I'm not
What do you mean
fucking,
no serious wins?
I'm not fucking going there.
No way! My car! I caught it on camera though.
Yeah, fucking no way.
Guys, are you okay?
No fucking way. Am I gonna survive this?
Help me! It's gone! And I saw my friend here last time.
No fucking way, I'm gonna save.
Oh, Storm Chaser.
Say to Storm Chaser, can you help me? Because your car got caught. Where's our apartment?
So easy to tell.
Yeah,
It's right next to you. Okay.
no fucking way. Please.
Oh, wait, the tornado's close to you, so you're going to the third house, right? Right? Don't say anybody should you, or they'll say to them, Mom, that they're saying a bad word, and then they'll report your family.
I'm going to the
Every other day. Wait,
go to this room.
That's not a bathroom.
Where? The blue staircase.
No, I'm in the second house.
Oh.
No way, no serious win last time.
Bro,
You didn't
I
even
almost
caught
got
you.
caught by accident.
What?
I almost got caught by serious wind.
Guess the password. What? Is my car flung out? I wanna ride it. That car was surviving 38 minutes of my own life,
You survived 38 minutes on your own life.
and my car got caught by a big, large tornado. So I reported her. I'm lifted.
Up.
No, I once said I'm lifted.
Come on,
So a lot of USA is watching my own channel,
Yeah.
and they're only wrong because I'm Philippines. Oh God, not tornado again. What the? What a worst probably. Deploy car. Well done. Wait, I'm gonna use you. What?
how? Where's the bathroom?
Wait, I'm outside. I'm going to deploy my own car. Wait, wait for me. I'm coming. Go up here and here and here. That's easy. I already saw that. I already saw that.
Why?
You got flung.
The button. Go for it, dude.
Mine.
I'm going to make
Storm Chase, the big one. El Reno. What should we name this type of El Reno thing? Like that, like that. I think I crashed into your car. What? Hey Lucas, what should you name here? That is four. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is four is so big, Lucas. Shut up, bro. I'm going to start face it. Hey! Survive the what again? EF4? His name is EF4?
Oh, that was a EF5!
His name is EF5?
Wait, I got a warning.
Lucas, what's his
EF5
name?
is-
What's his name? What are you going to tell that?
That is a EF5. I'm going to start chase a EF5.
What's her name?
Whoa!
What are you going to name it?
This is cool. A EF5. I'm gonna start chase.
Lucas, what's his name? You can pick a name.
What? EF5. That is a EF5.
His name is EF5?
Because it's a EF5.
Hey, I know you're weak, but you can survive this.
It's going to the woods. I want to start chase it.
I wanna storm chase it too.
Then come on. Storm chase. I cannot believe. I can say,
This is EF5. Walking entity.
so there's a swimming tornado here. Oh, Paul's back river got to deploy. Deploy, please.
Oh my god,
I want to leave.
that's so large.
I want to leave.
Enlarge!
I
Enlarge
want to
tornado!
leave. I'm flying.
What? Backward. Mayday! Oh wait, that's what dash cam.
I'm giving it 100. 500. 500.
That's only up to right now, right?
I just told you.
Oops.
Wait.
Great. I'm going to get the tornado of the day. Who the heck is that?
Wait a minute.
Oh my god, wait. Oh my god. Tornado. Okay, we're going to end the stream. Wait, someone's controlling my car. I think we should get out. Get out! Get in the road!
What?
Get in the road! Can survive this! Get in the road! I don't wanna live, but I don't wanna die. But I'm just going to storm cases. Why kind of survived that storm case and you died? Note and turn facing dito my mobile. This is the birthday of my life. I'm chasing this. Second if one, right? Right? Hey, get in the car. We're going to storm chase.
I found my third house.
We found the third house. I'm going to storm chase the biggest tornado ever. And let the comment
I
decide.
collapsed.
Hey, storm chase. Let the comment decide what should they name this.
Yeah. Name them for our honor.
I'm still videoing. Wait, there's a guy.
Yes, sir, guys. And I'm running out of fuel.
Bye. Great day. I'm leaving you. Bye. Have fun.
I'm done. I'm done fueling.
Okay, I'm going to wait.
My car is stuck in the metal bar.
What? You can spawn another car.
Wait. I think I can do it.
Wait, this is the end of the road. Beep 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 beep. This is the end of the road. Let's go to another road.
So I'm stuck in the gas station. It's not the end of the
Hello,
road.
guy.
Why are you going back? Oh, I got hit.
There's no more. There's no road there.
I see road.
Yeah, but when you go there, there's no more road. So I'm going to go back. There. Wait. Is the big tornado gone?
It's connecting the. It's connect.
It connects with what?
I found out.
I found our third house. Okay, third house. We're going to provide the
Why not I found our
all
fifth house? I
What?
mean fourth house.
When we got a fifth house, it was so
I'm gonna open the window.
Since when I'm going to storm chase this large tornado? Is the large tornado gone?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that? You said you died, right?
Yeah.
From that big tornado?
Yeah.
Or the orbiting small tornado?
The big tornado.
Oh, wait, I didn't saw you there. I was looking at the back of the big tornado. I was storm chasing that, that thing.
Bye. I'm going far away. Don't know what. Ah, you.
Oh, really? Go.
Huh? Oh, but you're going the wrong way. You're not in the road anymore.
What? Really, that's wrong.
I don't care.
I don't know. I'm going to come back to the road. Wait. Oh! Oh, close mo na. Galing. Bakit? Bakit? Ano tawag dun sa lima? I'm used to this. Hey, Lucas! Goodbye! Holy shit.
I think I need my
When I'm going to the house, I'm going to end this. 1 hour long video or not a 1 hour long video. I see the big tornado. Let's storm chase it.
I'm already in the ground. Yeah,
You didn't tell me to. You didn't tell. You didn't tell. You didn't. You didn't tell me that.
done.
I'm gonna die. I'm not moving. Yep, fine.
Did you put a warning for the F5?
No.
I
Someone
found
said
a
F5.
police station. No, police station.
Why?
Found a police station.
Oh, I see the big tornado. Someone in the car, like my old friend used to. I'm storm chasing it. Those are going to storm chase it. Storm chase the big one. Not the smaller one. Oh, you're storm chasing. Crash can. The big one. What should we, what should we name the big one? If I didn't comment. Bro, I already saw that screen that time. Then how is it here? Is he going to storm chase the big one too? Bro, that's why. Is he going to survive? Why is the big pigeon here? Oh wait, I come back. I came back. I know where that starting center. I'm going to the big one. You can survive it. Oh, survive. No, 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 no. Lucas, are you going to storm chase that thing? Like the area now? Coming to the other place, like the area now. Lucas, are you storm chasing so many tornadoes? Then you can go. Lucas, there's a party of tornadoes. Don't go to the El Reno. Lucas, don't go
I
to
see
the...
the internet.
Lucas, don't go to the El Reno tornado. Bro has the group! Wait, you're going to storm chase that tornado? Mine, mine too loud. Okay, Lucas.
But at least I found this.
How is so many tornadoes lined up from the starting point? The El Reno started on the sand, bro. Like, what?
I found the national
thing?
NASA aquarium.
Wait, why am I in deployed but still can kill me?
I found national NASA.
Okay.
But I mean the
So,
internet NASA.
no, wait, there's a that's a large tornado. Wait, that's
I
storm
found the
chase.
NASA internet.
Wait, Lucas, that's storm chase big.
I already found it. And I found NASA's biggest look that is tornado. Look
Wait,
at the big
you're in the
tornado.
big tornado.
Yeah, look, it's already right
It's right there. It's a wedge. Wait, it's a cone?
Yeah,
It's a cone or a wedge?
it's
Like
a
the El
hole.
Reno.
It's a hole.
El Reno is the wedge, right?
What the fuck? It's coming towards the NASA.
Going to save you.
Oh, I found the bike.
Oh my god, bro.